Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your nickname or username in Litmatch Make New Friends app. So you can see this is the home page of Litmatch Make New Friends app. So what you need to do, you need to click here. You can see a right bottom corner on your screen. You can see, simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, so you can see this is your page. So what you need to do, you need to click here right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and after that you can see edit profile. Okay, simply click the second of one, and then you can see nickname. Simply tap on that, and here you can see how to do my channel name. I just put it here in when I create this account, but if you want to change this, then just remove this text and write whatever you want, and after that simply tap on the done. Then your name will be saved or added here. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.